Blue pipe cleaner flower craft. Shape petals with fingers. Cut stems to size. Bundle stems together tightly. Wrap base for support. Form each petal carefully. Blue flower taking shape. Shape blue pipe cleaner petals. Form flower bud shape. Melt wire ends with lighter. Create stamens from wire. Cut wire to length. Curl wire tips carefully. Tiny curled stamen loops. Curl wire into spiral shape. Use 3D pen on petals. Blue petal taking shape. Fold petal gently inward. Heat seal petal edges. Attach petals together now. All blue petals complete. Green leaves ready too. Attach wire through petal base. Use hot glue gun now. Press petals firmly together. Glue each blue petal. Layer petals round center. Shape flower petals outward. Blue flower taking shape. Wrap stem with floral tape. Attach leaves along the stem. Secure leaves with green tape. Wrap tightly for clean finish. Beautiful blue flower complete. Like, subscribe, try it now.